Namaste, myself Javian Dr. Priyanka, Assistant Professor, Department of Agriculture and Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about entrepreneurial opportunity in mushroom industry. Introduction. Mushroom is a fungi producing a fleshy fruiting body, especially one consisting of a stalk with an umbrella cap. It has two parts, cape-like structure and thread-like structure. Mycela absorb nutrients from soil. It does not require sunlight for their growth. A mushroom typically consists of a stalk and a cape. As the mushroom develops from a underground mycelium and proceeds upward, it is protected by a thin membrane with equally ruptured living fragment on the cap. Another membrane attaching the cap to the stalk also ruptures, allowing the cap to expand and leaving a remnant ring of the stalk. Radiating raw ovules are found on the cap undersurface. These bear the cup-shaped reproductive structure which form minute spore known as basidiospore, of which a single mushroom may produce millions. Nutrition value of mushroom. Mushrooms are low in calories, high in fiber, and contain many important vitamins and minerals. Some also have medicinal properties such as a complex carbohydrate and strength and immune system, like protein, vitamin D, copper, selenium, potassium, other important minerals such as phosphorus, zinc, magnesium, low level of fat, calories, and sodium, no cholesterol. So many nutritional values. Edible mushroom. Edible mushrooms are consumed by humans for their nutritional value as they are occasionally consumed for their supposed medicinal value. Edibility may be defined by criteria that induce absence or poisonous effect on human and desirable taste and aroma. Edible mushrooms include many fungal species that are either harvested wild or cultivated. Also known as the white cultivated mushroom, Agaricus biopolus is given on composted cereal, straw, and animal manure. Agaricus species is the most extensively cultivated mushroom in the world, accounting of 38% of world production is cultivated mushroom. The Chinese Opedista mushroom, Wolverine, is high temperature mushroom grow largely in tropical and subtropical region of Asia, that is China and India. This mushroom can be grown on a variety of agriculture wastage. Volvorinilla mushroom account of 16% total production of cultivated mushroom in the world. Poisonous मशरूम जो कभी एडेबल नहीं होती और कभी नहीं खाना चाहिए, उसकी मॉर्फोलॉजी के अकॉर्डिंग अपन पता लग जाता है कि ये पॉइजनस है या नहीं. The poisonous mushroom look like edible mushroom in their morphology and life cycle. However, they can be distinguished by following features: brightly colored fruit body, greenish wing on green and yellow-green spore, pink color spore in gills, and also present of vulva and animals of the stalk, and also present oozing of milky and color latex and damaged portion, unpleasant odor. That's like features of and morphology of poisonous mushroom. Step cultivation of mushroom production. First step pellets preparation, and second soak strained water 1 to 2 day, and third mix extra mushroom seedling with supplementary food, and fourth mold on pellets, mold on ground, and fifth pellet soak strained mold 10 centimeter height, and then pellets step 3 along straw edges, and then add another layer of soaked straw to the mold 10 centimeter height, and then continuous progress to fill mold and top with straw. And last step, remove mold. And this step of cultivation of paddy straw mushroom. Firstly, paddy straw bundles, and third spawning, and third spawn run complete, and fourth pin stage develop, and fifth button stage develop and harvested, and lastly harvested mushroom. And spawn production. To start growing mushroom, you need to buy the spore. The spore shown below have been grown on a corn cob. A bottle of spore can be used for two facts. The spore one of right have been broken into add pieces. A key of mushroom production. What is key of mushroom production? The key genetic step of mushroom production is cycle that take between 1 to 3 months from start to finish depending on species are identify and cleaning a dedicated room or building in which temperature, moisture and sanitary condition can be controlled to grow mushroom in choosing a growing medium and storing the raw ingredient in a clean place under cover and protected from rain. Sealing the bed with spore from mature mushroom grown start media, and then maintaining optimal temperature, moisture, hygiene, and they are conditional by for mycelium growth and fruiting, which is most challenging step. Why maintaining optimal temperature, moisture, hygiene is very important for mushroom growth, and it helps ensure efficient sterilization, harvesting, eating, and processing, packaging, and selling of mushrooms, cleaning the facility, and bagging again. Importance of rural non-farm sector in mushroom production. Employment growth in the farm sector has not been in consonance with employment growth in general. And second one, rural non-farm development may prevent many rural people from migrating to urban industrial and commercial sector. When the economic base of the rural economy extend beyond agriculture, rural-urban economic gap are bound to get narrow along with solitary effect in many other aspects associated with the life of expansion of the people. Rural industries are generally less capital intensive and more labor absorbing. And rural industrialization has significant spin-off for agriculture development as well. And last one, rural income distribution is much less unequal in area where a wide network of non-farm new of employment exist. The strength of non-farm sector, institutional base of rural non-farm sector and decentralization process. And in this lecture, we learn on the president of university about entrepreneurs in mushroom, and this session powered by Digital Vision 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women College, and I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will try to solve it. Thank you very much.